If you want to learn about the main features of the new range of Philips coffee machines, discover the differences between the various models, find out what novelties they bring compared to previous versions and their prices, don't miss this video. Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. The new Philips range, completely revamped in 2024, consists of the following models: Philips 2300, Philips 3300, Philips 4400, and Philips 5500. The price of each model is as you can see on the screen now. And you're probably wondering what each model includes and whether it's worth paying the price difference. Well, don't worry, because we'll tell you everything in detail now. The main difference is the number of beverages each machine can prepare. The basic model, the Philips 2300, allows you to prepare 4 different beverages, while the 5500 can prepare up to 20 different recipes. In the following table, you can see the beverages each machine prepares, so you can evaluate which one interests you the most. Another feature to consider is the levels of customization offered by each machine. The Philips 2300 and 3300 have 3 levels of coffee intensity adjustment, while the 4400 and 5500 have up to 5 levels. In addition to coffee intensity, all machines can also adjust the amount of coffee. And the models with the latte go system, except for the 2300, can adjust the amount of milk. Furthermore, the Philips 4400 and Philips 5500 include profile memory. This function is especially useful if multiple people use the coffee maker, as each household member can save the configuration of each beverage according to their preferences. The Philips 4400 has 2 profiles, and the Philips 5500 has 4 different profiles. Also, as you may have noticed already, the 4400 and 5500 models incorporate a screen that gives them a more modern look. Additionally, with this screen, the machine settings are more intuitive. These 2 models also include the Quick Start system, which allows beverages to be prepared more quickly when you turn on the machine. Finally, the 5500 model includes the Extra Shot button for making stronger coffees. Now that we know the main differences, let's talk about other features that all models share. They have a ceramic grinder that grinds the beans finer and is more durable. It can also be adjusted to 12 levels. This allows you to grind the coffee finer or coarser to achieve a more or less intense coffee. Although keep in mind that it's not a function intended for frequent use, but rather a way to calibrate the machine occasionally. Additionally, all Philips models include the possibility of using ground coffee, in case you run out of coffee beans, or to make decaffeinated coffee, which is one of the main uses of this functionality. All models have a version with the latte go system that allows you to prepare delicious recipes with foamy milk at the touch of a button. This system also stands out from the competition because it is composed of only 2 pieces and is very easy to clean. Another strong point of Philips coffee machines is their tanks, which have a large capacity. Lastly, if you were familiar with the previous models and want to know what extra features this new range includes, we must tell you that there are no very significant changes. All new models incorporate the silent brew system and are 40% quieter, although don't expect a completely silent coffee maker. Another noteworthy novelty is that now the new versions can prepare iced coffee recipes. And besides that, they also incorporate small aesthetic changes, such as the beverage icons, which are now in color. What do you think of the new range of Philips coffee machines? Tell us your opinion in the comments of this video, or write any questions you have, and we will respond as soon as possible. And if you liked the video, please give it a like, as that helps us a lot to keep creating content like this. And remember, on our channel you will find many more videos and comparisons like these. Discover them with the following links. Until next time.